do you think? They'll stay there?
Put it underneath.
Thanks, Ernie.
Don't go too far.
This is what I'm going to say. If it breaks, it was meant to have the roof cut off.
Chad, you might want to
Yeah.
the wood down.
That's a good call. That's a good call.
Right here and go down.
Good call. Yeah. Look at that, would you? Spot for it right there.
It was designed to be made that way.
Yeah, it was. I believe you, Jamie. I believe you. Stop it. I'm just going to turn up there further.
Should make those hooks on the swivels.
Well, one guy told me that it's best to have it's best to have a turn in that so they don't vibrate free, wouldn't it? When we were doing that. Alrighty. I do the exact same thing with the front hood, should I not?
Oh, yeah.
Probably should.
Yeah.
Got one of these for down here. We just hook the strap on that.
It's got a good lip there for that, so.
Should have had I put one of these bad boys in there. Only got the head. Well, I got the little one there.
Scratch paint.
Right. I don't need a giant hinge for that, or that won't even work. Well, that'll work just as good as any. Nope. Too much hassle. I'm wondering. Smaller one, probably nicer, but
Oh, you want to put a twist in it.
go that way. You almost have to have a degree to work these straps, do you not?
By times.
That one's in backwards.
Huh?
She's in a little backwards, it was.
I should put something underneath that.
That's going to push that down if you.
Go too much?
Yeah.
Come off to the side.
Might be a great
Maybe
idea.
I'll put a. I got a piece of rigid foam you can put in there. That'll hold that.
I'm just
down.
going to take that off for a second. We're going to pull that sucker. Come over this way. Get off that.
Not gonna take much.
You want to just pull that? Maybe we can take that one and put it on the next one over, maybe. Yeah.